Is your Xtralis VESDA remote VRT-J00 not working properly? Don't replace it, repair it. Facing power issues, display failure, communication errors, or fire and alert indication faults. We can fix them all. Our experienced engineers provide precise component level repair using advanced diagnostic tools. Every unit undergoes thorough testing, calibration, and final quality inspection to ensure reliable operation. Bring your Xtralis VESDA remote VRT-J00 back to peak performance. Contact us today